GetSafeDocs.com. Welcome to another GetSafeDocs tutorial. Today we will be going over how to request documents using GetSafeDocs. To begin, please ensure you're logged into your account. Don't have an account? Signing up is free and gives you access to most features. Once logged in, at the top right of the page is a teal Request Documents tab. Click this and you'll be brought to the document request page. Here, you'll be able to access your requests, as well as request new documents. To begin requesting, click the blue Create New Request button. Now we can request documents. The only tab that needs to be filled is the Request Name. This is to let whomever know what you are requesting. However, you can enter any type of description here, so the requestee knows who you are and what you're requesting. Just like with sending files, you can set an expiry on your request. This is set as 30 days by default. However, you can change the value to 0 if you would like the request not to expire. Next, choose who you'd like to notify by adding their email address in the Send Notification To tab. Just like sending files, you can request files from anyone. They don't need to have a GetSafeDocs account. Please note that adding an email address is optional, as a token will be generated, which you can provide yourself via any other method, such as over a secure messaging app. The person receiving the code just needs to enter it on the main page at GetSafeDocs.com. Next, you can specify the maximum file size, the maximum number of files per submission, and the allowed file types. This is per submission, and those who receive the request will have the ability to submit multiple times unless you uncheck the Allow Multiple Submissions from the same person box at the bottom of the page. Another detail is you may add required fields the sender must provide, such as email address, subject, and message. These are off by default, so simply click the boxes you'd like in order to make these fields mandatory. Now all you need to do is click Create Request, and your request is ready. You'll see the request name, unique token, status, expiry, and number of submissions at a glance on the document request page. You'll also have various actions, such as viewing the details by pressing the blue eye, testing the upload capabilities if anyone's having trouble with the teal button, sharing or resharing with the green button, deactivating the request with the yellow button, or deleting the request from your document requests by clicking the red trash icon. Let's take a look at what the person receiving the request sees if you selected to send them an email notification. Here's the notification email that is received. Notice that it includes the request name and any description you have added. The person receiving the request can click the link or simply cut and paste the token provided into the Access Share Documents area on the main page at GetSafeDocs.com. Here's what the person you are requesting the files from sees. Depending on the required fields you specified in creating the request, they can enter their email address, name, subject, and a description so you know who you are receiving the file from. They then simply attach the requested files. They can drag and drop the files or select the files using the Browse button. Just like when you send files using GetSafeDocs, any files being requested by you are scanned automatically for malware. Now the requestee checks the box agreeing to our terms of service, privacy policy, and cookie policy, and hits Send Files. That's it. GetSafeDocs will notify you by email and update the document request page once a submission is received. The documents requested will be securely waiting for you in your GetSafeDocs inbox. Thanks for using GetSafeDocs.